Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, we're going to go ahead and thrift flip this item. So come on with me, guys. Now I will be using Beebeecraft items to embellish, and we are going to be using the liquid cement that the Dollar Tree carries in their auto section. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called THRIFTFLIP Road Trip, and this is being hosted by Unicorn Dust Designs and the Crafting Cousins. Now they do have a guest host, and it's Jody at Southern Seasons. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette, so let's get started. So here I have a beautiful vase that was thrifted, and this I'm going to embellish with Beebeecraft items. I am an ambassador for Beebeecraft, so I will be linking the 10% discount code for you to have off of your first purchase. Now to embellish, I will be using this iridescent bling chain, and I'm also going to use a brooch, which is a nice sunflower with a little bee. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as you see me embellish this beautiful vase. Now, as I said before, the liquid cement that I'm using here is from the auto section of the Dollar Tree. Is usually in the same area where the fix-all adhesive is. So you always want to be in a well-ventilated area and allow the item to dry or cure for 24 to 48 hours. Now what I was doing here was cutting the number of strips that I wanted to use along that vase, and then deciding where the brooch was going to be set. Now, as you can see here, I didn't use any kind of hot glue. Hot glue and glass really don't mix very well. So you just place the chain on there and you place the brooch on there. I kind of just left it alone for about 6 hours so that I could stand it up and just leave it sit for another 24 hours. Now let's head on over to the reveal so that I can show you how I'm displaying this. So I lit a candle, I placed some pine cones inside of the vase with some greenery, and voila. Isn't this beautiful? I hope you agree. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Amen.